Every number tells a story of progress. And in defense, those numbers represent something bigger: technology, trust, and the strength that keeps us safe. So let's break down Hanwha's defense innovation in 5 key figures. By 2035, global defense spending is projected to reach $2.92 trillion, the highest in history. It's a reminder that resilience depends not only on strength, but on the partnerships and advanced technology that safeguard peace. Hanwha's U.S. Navy maintenance, repair, and overhaul deals open doors to the $60 billion global naval maintenance market. By combining experience with innovation, Hanwha is helping the world's most important vessels operate safely and efficiently. At the same time, Hanwha's Philly Shipyard is building the future of maritime readiness. In 2025, it laid the keel for its 5th National Security Multi-Mission Vessel, a ship designed to train future mariners and support emergency response missions. On land, the K9 Thunder holds the #1 global market share among self-propelled howitzers. Trusted across Europe, Asia, and beyond, the K9 Thunder is recognized for its precision, reliability, and adaptability across missions. And by 2035, Hanwha aims to become a leading global integrated systems provider, connecting land, sea, and air with technologies that strengthen security and empower economies. 5 numbers, 1 mission: to build a more resilient, secure, and connected world through innovation that protects and empowers all.